Okay, so first you cut the glass so it's not super oversized and dripping everywhere, and I'm using high performance epoxy from Totalboat here, 2-to-1. It's super easy to work with, and you want to just work it out as quickly as you can into the glass. You want it to go and penetrate the glass into the wood, so you don't want the glue to be like partially curing or anything like that. You want to spread it out quick and then worry about squeegeeing off all the excess so you don't have the glass doesn't float on top of the epoxy. That's how you end up with air bubbles and wrinkles and weird stuff like that. So basically, kind of put on too much epoxy, get it all wetted out, and then squeegee most of it off. Then once it's partially cured, call that green state, you can knife it off pretty easily. If you wait a little too long, it's pretty hard to do, but if you wait just the right amount of time, it'll peel right off, no problem. And I was using melamine, which the epoxy doesn't really stick to, but it kind of sticks to, so it's fine. And then for the fill coat, that's what's coming up now, you want to make sure it's kind of suspended up above the surface so you don't end up with a pool going underneath. For filling, so since I squeegeed off all the extra, you can kind of see the weave here in this next clip that's coming up. And all you're doing with the fill coat is the flood coat, I should say, is trying to cover up all that weave. The weave of the fiberglass, if you hit it with a sander, sandpaper, or anything, you're going to see the weave. But if you flood coat over the top of it, see there, then you should be able to have a nice finish.